my gosh, yum. This one, I think. Yeah, that one. And then Seth wanted an energy shot. Where is it? Oh yeah. These. These literally look so yum. Perfect.
If you have a Coles app or Flybuys card, please scan at any time.
What?
If you have a Coles app or Flybuys card,
Got the goods. Who is that over there? Scare him. Dang it, I'm gonna scare you. It's cold as heck. Okay, just showered. Feels so good. Need to brush out my hair. It's like it's such a hassle to go out, I feel like now, with me. And I'm like, when there's Uber Eats, I never want to go out. But yeah, let me get my brush. I literally went through this bottle, and I'm like, pink lady. Went through this bottle in like 2 weeks. It's pretty sad. But I'm just gonna brush out my hair and clean up the house a little bit and show. He's coming. There he is. Yum, yum, yum. Literally so yum. Yum. That is. Is that the closest hospital? Or those birds? Wow. It's actually gorgeous. Fiffies. Don't slam on the brakes. Why is that look so funny?
I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna start braking slowly, braking.
It's the next day. Sorry, I don't know if I abruptly ended the last thing, but it's the next day and I'm getting ready. Seth has a soccer game tonight, so I'm just gonna do a little natural makeup. I just have a massive breakout right here. Don't know why. Okay, we curled the hair. I'm just gonna show you what I use for makeup. I just use Milani. I don't even use a lot. I just put it a little bit like this, just on my face. I don't really do much makeup these days anymore, which I never really have worn a lot of makeup, but I prefer literally, I mean, I don't even wear mascara like when I do like full makeup, I feel. I just do foundation, my eyebrows, and then I just curl my lashes. I think it just looks so much better. I just did like the rest of my makeup, or some of it. I still gotta do mascara. My eyebrows with this e.l.f. brow brush. Curled my lashes. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna head up to Newcastle. Yeah, and just go to like the beach for the day and then come back later that night, but it'll be fun. I always feel like after doing mascara, I'm like, why did I even do it? Like I said earlier. I mean, I don't know. The breakup. It looks way more natural without it, but I feel like I have no eyelashes if I don't, so. Seth and I are gonna fast for 3 days, which I fasted for 1 day. And I did it, but I don't know if I can do 3, so we're gonna try. I'm gonna have like the fattest meal tonight. because we start tomorrow morning. This is what we're gonna end up wearing, I think. I think we're just gonna keep these. This. Ring, jewelry. White sneakers or black little sandals that I have, because I'm gonna wear my black little purse and that would match. But I don't know, it's just so hot. I feel like I need to wear I don't know, a skirt or something, or a dress. But this top is so cute. Shut up. What did you get?
I got a cheeseburger and I had to take off everything off it. I had to go up there. Oh, I had to go up there and I was like, can I get no sauce and no pickles and no onion? And they're like, pickle? I don't like pickle. Oh my gosh. I'm picky.
That's fair. I would just get like meat, cheese, pickle.
Meat, cheese, tomato sauce.
Meat, cheese, oh yeah. And then I just got like a veggie burger. So
The
I think,
halloumi one?
yeah, the halloumi. No, this place is so cute though. It's like right on the water. I was here the other night. I'm like, I want mine to come. We were just taking selfies. And we were taking selfies and that guy came up and I was like, oh, sorry. And I was like, we're heading to the game. Yay. Yay. Let's hope they win. Because the last game, they drew.
They drew.
They drew.
I think they'll win.
I think so too, because they're playing at the place that they train at, so hopefully that's good luck.
Oh.
And it's such a nice night, but it's so freaking fire hot.
We're in the black today.
I love the black. Oh, there he is. It's a couple hours into our fast and we already are hungry. And being in a gas station with this and that is not good. He's struggling too. But it's okay. I'm gonna make it at least a day, and if I have to forfeit, then I have to forfeit. You didn't hear that from me.
Like you could like find something you like online. Just change it up.
I look like a little bald baby, but it's such a nice day out. Today, the boys are still in the water, and I'm coming to tan. Cheese. Day 2 into the fast. I broke it. I feel like a failure, but to be honest, not for me. I get so faint and lightheaded when I don't eat and shaky, and I like have no personality. Can't say a word. Like I am so low energy. Not even a person to be around. I feel like I'm just there. Didn't do it. So it's still going. Whew. But like I don't know how he's even working out right now with not eating for a day. Like even me just right now, like I'm so weak from not eating. even though I had a little bit last night, so. Hey. Hey. We kind of are matching. Our fast and we both broke it. To be fair, I was like, Seth, if you don't eat food, I don't know how you're gonna survive training. One day I did it. I was literally a zombie. I was just sitting in the car mute the whole way. So he broke it and now we're both eating food again, so no more fast. But I'm waiting on Seth. Seth's working and I'm just in a little burger place. Just got some onion rings and a drink. I'm just chilling. So now I'm just chilling, getting some work done for the week. And yeah. So good. I love food. This is my jam. Unreal. Grilled. You have my heart. Literally so good. I also got onion rings. I think I said that. But yeah, now I'm just gonna work on this vlog and chill. It's been such a long day though. I feel like I've been hit by a bus. I don't know, I just feel like the energy has been so low. But the day's done. Just walking back to the car now.